Okay, hello and welcome to this weather update. It's around 2 p.m. on March 2nd, 2020, and we're doing this weather update because it's very warm out. and We have a huge temperature variation across the area. So Central Park, as you see, is reporting 57 degrees. Here and on the island, it's 52 at Farmingdale with a southwest wind at 20. Islip, 51, southwest wind at 15, gusting to 24. So we do have a pretty good sea breeze going on Long Island. 50 degrees at Gabreski Airport, southwest wind at 16, gusting to 25. But of course, as we go into New Jersey, it's a lot warmer. And Mount Holly's reporting 65 degrees. So much warmer than the model said today. 62 in Toms River. So very warm temperatures. We're going to look at some of these observations here and show you what's going on. So the island, we're getting the sea breeze, and of course the South Shore will be the place to head if you want to escape the heat. Now in New Jersey, we're in the mid 60s, so you can see that mid 60s for New Jersey, very warm, 65, so about a good 10 degrees warmer in New Jersey. It wouldn't even surprise me if it hit 70. So some unusual warmth really overperformed today. Once again with the warmth, not a surprise. Well above normal. We are here on Long Island about 10 degrees above normal, and for New Jersey, as you may or may not know, New Jersey is one of the fastest warming states in the country. So New Jersey is about a good 20 degrees above normal today. Looking at some of the observations here, again, you can see here on the one to ground, you can see the 50s over Long Island. But as we move into New Jersey, look at all these 60s here. So very warm, except right along the shore. Temperatures well into the mid 60s. Wouldn't even be surprised if somebody in New Jersey gets close to 70 today. Looking at the satellite, you can see we have plenty of sunshine across the area, some cirrus around, but plenty of sun. And plenty of sun indeed. Now, our friends on the South Shore, they're winning today. So there, I gave them those 2 seconds there. Unfortunately, they are winning again. You can't stop these people. Excuse me, I don't talk about that anymore. At least I try not to. They're so arrogant, though, and they always get their way. So anyway, let's just take a brief look at the models here. And let's see what's going to be happening here. So you can see the temperatures have been underestimated. The GFS doesn't even have the 60s on here. And for tomorrow, I think something similar is going to happen again. We're going to see much warmer temperatures over Long Island, and I meant much warmer temperatures over New Jersey. Long Island will be cooler. And then as we head into Wednesday, we'll see temperatures cooling down a little bit, still above normal, 5 degrees above normal, and then closer to average on Thursday with mid 40s, and then colder still on Friday, low 40s, well, probably still mid 40s. Then we have some cold air moving on Saturday where we're going to be around 40 degrees. But for the most part, it's over, folks. Winter is over, and I don't really see. I think the fat lady has sung. There's no chances for snow across. If we go ahead and we look at the extended all the way out total snowfall, you will see nothing for us. So maybe some more upstate, but nothing for us. And that is unfortunately what we are going to be dealing with. As far as precipitation chances, we will look at that. Let's look at the cloud cover first, because at least there is some good news with that. After some clouds tomorrow, Wednesday we should have mostly sunny skies across the island and New Jersey. Thursday we may also have mostly sunny skies, probably increasing clouds probably in the afternoon with this, and then we have this system here that's going to form off to our east. And then it starts off Saturday with clouds, and then it clears out by Saturday afternoon, and we have some more clear skies again. Let's go to the NAM 12 kilometer and show you what's going on. So so we're not going to be dealing with much precipitation until later tonight. We'll see a little light rain over our area, and then tomorrow, for the most part, it's dry until later in the afternoon when we have, it looks like a batch of maybe some heavier rain moving in over us right around between 4 and 8 o'clock there. Some steadier rain, and then that moves out, and then that's it. until we deal with the Friday system. And this only goes out this far. But if we were to look at the GFS, we'll show you what happens with the Friday system. Let me point that out to you here. So let me just make this eastern U.S. so you can see here. So we have this coastal low developing. You can see the idea on the GFS. Coastal low forms, and we get a little chance for rain. And then what winds up happening is this thing really bombs out, and parts of New England could see a lot of snow from it. And this is the GFS, and it kind of gets pulled back a little bit toward the coast. But again, there's no real blocking. We have a positive NAO, so it's going to just move out, as you can see. But that is like the closest we'll come to getting some snow. Now this is the GFS. We'll look at the Canadian here, and the Canadian is a lot more powerful with the storm and closer. But unfortunately, you'll notice that it's still rain because there's not going to be that much cold air. It would be a dynamic cooling if there was snow from this. This is the Canadian here. All right. So I mean, this is the next major system that we're going to have to deal with. Let's look at the ICON if it goes far enough out. There it is. So there's the ICON. You can see it's much further offshore, and that seems to be more of the solution here. That even the GFS keeps it offshore, but it's a very deep system, as you can see there. And we'll go ahead and look at the Euro as well, and you can see it here on the Euro. Same idea. It keeps it offshore, so we wouldn't see any major effects from other than the wind. From this storm. Let me go back to the NAM and let me move this back to our region so we can take a look and see how much rain we will be getting as far as total accumulated precip from this system. And let me just back this up. So you can see here it looks like it has a little area of heavy rain over our area tomorrow night that could bring maybe 3/4 of an inch of rain with that. And I'm wondering if there's a chance of some thunderstorms with that. Let me go down to the higher resolution and see regions. Let's see what we got here. See if that's convective possibly. Yeah, it could be. I see some red, so there could be some downpours. This is the highest resolution NAM, and you can see it does have some downpours. Has us dealing with some downpours for tomorrow night, and I don't know if there's going to be a lot of wind with those downpours too. There very well may be. Let's go ahead and look at the wind as well. So it might be some gusty winds and some of those downpours there. So just be advised, tomorrow night there could be some downpours. Tomorrow afternoon and into the evening. That's our best chance of rain until the next system we deal with on Friday. So that is going to wrap up this weather update. Again, very warm afternoon, 65 again if you're in New Jersey. And if you're on Long Island, we're more like in the low 50s. So my advice, you head to the preppy South Shore, where everything is peaches and cream and there's a nice sea breeze. It kind of rhymes, but yeah, that's what it is. So that's going to be it. Take care. Thank you for watching.